Time to do a washy. Hope my camera's working. Let's go back. Let's go turn on the water. Bonjour. On the dark side of the garage. Now, isn't that awesome? Can't see much on this side. Unfortunately, I do not have an extra light. scratches. I already have swirl marks. I have to, this car needs some real detailing. It's gonna need a buffing. Gonna need some abrasives. The machine, yeah, it needs some serious buffing out there. Yeah. I think I have a machine. Yeah, I have a machine, but I haven't used it in years. A lot of spider webs, swirl marks, love marks that I have to get rid of. I don't know if I'll do it or not. the shining. Okay. Still very wet, bro. Luce fatigué. I know. But you're putting in dirt from the bottom up. Not dirt, but just trying to dry it. Car. Okay. Not 100% dry, but it'll do. Bring it back to my parking spot, and I'll commence the drying, recommence the drying over there. So definitely this car needs a buff. It needs a whatchamacall. What's the other word? It's buffing. There's this morning my words are not coming out. So in essence, yeah, this car needs a real detail. I mean, this is just a wash, but decontamination with maybe a clay bar and some other stuff, a buffing at the end, ceramic coating maybe, who knows, I don't know. What do you think I shall do? I definitely have to run the buffing machine on, get rid of buff out the minor scratches and the swirl marks, because I wash this car so often, and it has what you call love marks. Anyways, that's it. I'll finish it drying it. What the hell happened here? Is it still okay? I'm tired, I'm exhausted. Not exhausted, but it definitely needs to be buffed out. It's 9:20 right now. Thanks for watching my video. Have yourself a great day. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye. Cheers.